What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com, Rayware Computers since 1996. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop, go to rwcweb.com, and I shall send you oodles and oodles of great free stuff, okay? Now, I created this template, and if you sign up with me through to go to Aweber, created this template in Aweber. Alright, if you sign up through me, I'll be able to share it with you. I'll be able to make you custom ones and give it to you. Just give it to you so you can use them. Okay, now I got the actual video on how I did this in Aweber. Alright, this is what they call a two-step sign-up form, okay, which is very common and it's very effective. Alright, and what I want to show you today with the Aweber is they're pretty great. Okay, I love them, been using them for a long time, and very easy to use. Some stuff is nowadays is getting complicated with this push notification things. You're starting to see it everywhere. Okay, so don't read into this crap that everything is copy and paste, you know, because it's just not true. You really got to learn how to do this stuff. I'm here to show you how to do some of this stuff, okay? Alright, what I like to do is you know, just show you step by step how to do this stuff, okay? Now, again, of course you have to sign up to Aweber to do this. It's going to use my Geek picture over here, okay? Then it's going to ask me where I want the push notification to go. And as you can see up here on the top, this is my rwcweb.com, and it's in a subfolder called My Template. Okay, My Template. So I'm going to copy that, and you can put this on any web page on your website. Okay, as long as your website is a secure site, meaning SS secure. Okay, SSL secure. Okay, it has to have that, you know, that status of being secure, which most, you know, most of the web hosting offers that free. Sometimes you have to buy it. I've got a link in the description. If you know if you got a hosting company that don't support that, you definitely need to get it. Okay. So now on the opt-in page, this is where people are going to go to opt in. Okay. So now what we're going to do here. Let me get this. I'm going to take this to. Let's see, where do I want to put these guys? Website? No, let's take it to, let me pause this video 1 sec. Alright, let me go, and what I'm going to do is, okay, we're going to edit this. Alright, so now I want to take them, okay, I'm going to want to take them to here, okay, when they click on it. Now, this is a free site that I created with Web Starts, okay, I got the link in the description down there. Alright, so basically, I'm going to take them here. Let me move this over so I can work with it better. Okay, I'm going to take them here, and I'm just going to use the text right from this. Download your free guide. Okay, I got to right-click disable, so I'm going to use Control and C. Okay, I'm going to do that right there. Okay, so we're going to take this guy as well. Well, we got it already set. Alright, we're going to save the prompt. That's what's going to shine up on the little thing. Okay, you don't have to do this. Okay, this is going to go here, but let's do this here like this. Okay, because this is going to go to your email list. Okay. And we're going to be like this. You could do the welcome thing, but okay, so now we're going to change that URL right there to this one. Alright. Change that URL to this one, because that's where we want them to wind up. Okay. Now we're going to go back here, and we're going to set up the push notification. All right, now it's, it says to install a WordPress plugin, but we don't have to do that. We could do it in HTML and the JavaScript. Okay, because I didn't use WordPress to create this landing page. I did it with Aweber, and that's in HTML. Okay, so now I use Bluehost for hosting, and most hosting sites have this back-end file management system. Okay, so let's follow the instructions. Okay, it's telling me to put it by the closing body tag. Now I'm going to copy this real quick, and I'm going to go into the file. Okay, my templates, right? I'm going to put it in this index file because that's where it's telling me to put it, right? Copy and paste the snippet into your website before closing. Okay, verify it. So we got to put it in your index file of whatever landing page you're taking them to. Okay, so we're in index HTML. Okay, in our in my template directory. Okay, now, all right. So let me tell you how I got here. Okay, I opened up the index file in the editor. I'll do it again. Okay, index file. You make sure that you're in this root directory. Okay. Now we're going to edit this again. I'll show you again. Click in the file, hold Control, hit the letter F. Okay, and then we're going to copy this code. Now it's got to be the exact code. You can't have no spaces on it or nothing. Okay, so boom, we're going to find it. It's going to take us right to it. It's at the end of the page. Okay, now we're going to go back to Aweber. We're going to highlight this JavaScript. We're going to copy it to the clipboard. We're going to go back to where we found that location. Okay, this is the closing body tag right here. We're going to put it in here. Now HTML is very linear. Okay, as you can see, there's the script. We're going to save the file. Okay, so we're going to go back to Aweber. Okay, we're going to verify that it's there. Okay, verified that it's there. Now the second step to doing this, we're going to download this file. I made a directory on my desktop. Okay, and you got to get in the habit of doing these types of downloads and stuff, because, and again, don't believe these guys saying that, this shit is copy and paste. Okay, you really need to learn this stuff. Okay, so this is a zipped up folder. It only has the one file in it. I'm not sure why they do it like that. Probably for security reasons. Okay, so let's verify that the file is there. Know its location. Okay, because now we're going to have to go and we're going to have to upload it to our root directory. We are not in the root directory because we're using a subdirectory. So we're going to go up one level. Okay, let me get rid of this old thing. Okay, we're going to upload. We're going to select the file. I left mine on the dashboard in the push folder. We're going to highlight the Aweber file. We're going to upload it. Okay, we're going to go back to our directory to verify that it is there. Okay, now once all said and done, we got to verify it again. So we're going to go back to your Aweber. Okay, verified. Okay, all set up. Now this here is set up to do that push verification after 30 seconds, okay, of being on the website. So let's go to the website, let's refresh it, okay, and of course it did it much quicker than 30 seconds, okay, and as far as anything, when they click on it, they will take it right to the web page that you desire. Okay, and of course I chose this web page because I want them to opt in and, get my email, get their email addresses and so forth. You really have to have an email list. It's one of the biggest mistakes that I made in the past. Okay, doing these pages can be difficult, but I'm here to show you how to do them properly. Okay, and if you sign up with me, I'm going to give you oodles and oodles of free stuff.